Aaron, thank you so much for inviting us to the showroom. I've been so excited to come and meet you.
Welcome, we appreciate you coming in.
The business has been around in Victoria for a long time, but you're relatively new here.
Yes, we are. It's been around since about 1995, and we took over about 6 months ago.
And you're so passionate about the product and love it?
Absolutely, it's a unique business. It's a niche market. Our former business was that, and that's what we kind of like to follow into.
What I love about your showroom is that it really has so much on display, and you can try things out and see what they feel like and get great ideas.
We cater to all different kinds of markets. We've got from the mid to the high end, and we've got some build-a-grade as well.
And a lot of the designers shop here too.
That's one thing we pride in, is all the different designers and the uniqueness that they bring to the table, and the uniqueness of the products that we can bring to them.
You also have a lot of higher end lines that are really attractive for a unique design.
We carry all different kinds of lines, from hardware from such as Baldwin or Sun Valley Bronze, all the way into Aqua Brass, to faucets, to Frankie sinks, and some other product lines out.
Well, that sounds great, but I want to go around and see the showroom.
Let's take a look.
Okay. I love that you have so many products on display, so you can actually see what they're going to look like once they're installed.
That's what brings us to our uniqueness of our store. We showcase, for example, in our tub, all the different kind of jets that you can put into a unit,
Right.
as well as we can fill it up and you can try them. Not necessarily sit in it, but you can get in and get the feel and what you want to have as well.
Because everybody's a little bit different as to what they want and what they're looking for. And then if they know the options that are out there, they can make that educated decision.
For sure, yeah, that's it.
Well, what's this all about?
So this is one of our other uniqueness about us, is that we have a display that we can showcase all our different shower units, from our
So they actually
handhelds
work.
to our rain showers. Absolutely. So it gives them a chance to test out, just to kind of see how they work.
See the pressure and what you can expect.
And if there's something else in the showroom that they want to try out before they buy, we can take it off the display and put it out and
That's
see
great.
how it works.
Kind of takes all the guesswork out of
Absolutely.
it. Because a lot of times when you have a higher end product, you know, you may be looking for something very specific, like a lot of water pressure or the look of it.
Yes, we do. Like, it's very customization that we do. You know, that we don't keep a lot of product in stock, so we order per customer.
Right.
So they can choose from colors to sizes to styles, whatever fits their needs as well.
And lots of plumbing fixtures, lighting, but you also have such a huge array of hardware, knobs,
Yes.
handles, door sets.
I believe we have one of the biggest selections on the island. From sizes to colors to styles, from modern to contemporary to classic.
Well, what I say a lot of times is it really, the design starts at the front door. So even from the feel of your front knob, it should feel high quality, high end, and have a little bit of designer feel. It's the first thing you're guessing.
And the nice thing that so far that we've learned here is that with the customization we can do, so the people that have, you know, the older homes can have the modern look on the outside, but on the inside keep the character of the home.
Exactly, and really tailor it to what they want and need.
Absolutely, yeah, for sure.
Well, thank you so much for showing us around, and welcome to Victoria.
Appreciate it, thank you very much. We enjoy being here.